Orgnar. Orgnar, are you listening?
How's about it
Not to.
God?
You'll
The
be
ale is
wanting me
going
to
bad.
pay for
We
them?
need to get a new batch.
It's only right, seeing as you're the important
Did you hear me?
lumberman.
You
Yep,
come do an
ale's
honest
going
day's
bad.
work at my mill.
I guess you don't have
I'll
potatoes
pay you
in
an
yours
honest
after
day's
all.
wages.
Just make sure we
Then
get a fresh
we'll
batch
drink.
in soon.
I've got a new order in for shields. I'm gonna need some hardwood planks. None of that soft pine this time. Aye, we can get that for you. We just finished the timber for those catapults. War may be good for business, but it's hard on families. A hard truth.
You're that visitor been poking around.
Drink for the fallen ones.
I still need you to make a batch of those fried potatoes. We can serve them with the ale. S. You'll get to it later.
Don't I always?
I don't suppose I could convince you to take care of it now, could I? I'm the innkeeper. It's my business to keep track of strangers. We don't get a lot of travelers here in Riverwood. Sure thing. It's yours for a day. The war keeps most folks away these days. Most of my customers are locals, come here to relax after a hard day's tour. Are you joking? You just rented a room from me.
Well, one of us has to do something.
I said no. No adventures, no theatrics, no thief chasing.
Well, what are you going to do then, huh? Let's hear it.
We are done talking about this. Well, I don't know what you overheard, but we did have a bit of a break-in. We still have plenty to sell. An ornament, solid gold in the shape of a dragon's claw. I better get back to cleaning the store. What a mess. The Riverwood Trader is everything you need in a general store. Some may call this junk. Me, I call them treasures. Damn thieves. As if things weren't bad enough. Yeah, an ornament. Solid gold in the shape of a dragon's claw. You could? I've got some coin coming in from my last shipment. It's yours if you bring my claw back. Now, if you're going to get those thieves, you should head to Bleak Falls Barrow,
So this is your
northwest
plan,
of
Lucan?
town. Now, if you're going to get those thieves, you should head to Bleak Falls Barrow, northwest of town.
Oh, really? Well, I think your new helper here needs a guide. We have to go through town and across the bridge to get to Bleak Falls Barrow. You can see it from here, though. The mountain just over the buildings. I wonder why they only stole Lucan's golden claw. I mean, we have plenty of things in the shop that are worth just as much coin. Lucan found the claw about a year after he opened the store. He never quite explained where he got it. He's a tricky one. The path up the mountain to the northwest leads to Bleak Falls Barrow. I guess I should get back to my brother. He'll throw a fit if I take too long. He's such a child.